Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Kaizen. Hope you are all doing good. In this video, we're going to cover one of the important and interesting topics when it comes to Excel, that's the date formula. This is used to calculate the age or how to find an age of a particular person using this function. Now, I have a list of names over here. They are legendary cricketers, one of my favorites, Sachin Tendulkar, Brian Lara, Steve Waugh here, with their actual and accurate date of birth mentioned over here. Now we need to use a formula to find their exact age as per today, that is August 2nd, 2022. So let's just jump into the topic here. That's the DATEDIF formula. How we can achieve this is we can use a formula that is built into Excel, that is called the DATEDIF. It has only three inputs here. As you can notice my screen over here, it has a start date followed by an end date followed by units. So you need to simply mention the number of returning units what you want to seen over here. So let's type in the function equals DATEDIF, open bracket. The start date would be obviously their date of birth. We are calculating their age from their date of birth till which date we are calculating, so that's going to be today. So Excel will automatically identify today as the present date based on the system state. That's going to be August 2nd, 2022 in this example. That's going to be probably different for you if you are trying out in your own system. That will be on a different date. And what would be the returning answer that you need to mention? That's into years. That would be Y in quotation marks. That's it. Hit enter and it should return the exact years of that particular person. So it's 49 right now. Use the fill handle to drag it down, and that's it. Now if you want to add something, a tag like years beside them, simply put in the and symbol after the formula, type in like YRS. That should turn like 49 years. Now this formula can be used to find the total number of years between two given dates, but it can also be used to find the total number of months between the two given dates. The same formula, instead of years this time, let's go for month. The start date, comma, today here again, comma, we are asking the total number of months, so hence this one, and close parenthesis. So it's been 591 months since this person is born. The same goes for Brian Lara and Steve Waugh, so on and so forth. And finally for the days, we can use again the same formula here, DATEDIF, parenthesis, start date, comma, today, put in close parenthesis, and finally D, close the bracket, to return the total number of days since they are born till the present date. Now this is how we use the DATEDIF function in a simple manner to find the total number of years, months or days that between two given dates. Now sometimes you'll be wondering how I can get all of these three values in a single cell rather than getting them in three separate columns or separate cells like age, months and years. So let's look at a nested DATEDIF formula that can return all these three values in the single same cell. Let's type in the formula. I'm going to simply typing in the formula multiple times to return the same value here. You can simply retype the formula again. Let's take the years here. Now I'm going to add a suffix here so that we'll understand what is what. So Y, that's going to be separating, that's going to be the added value for the years, followed by again the same formula here, DATEDIF, the same start date, again today, comma, this time M, close parenthesis. Now we'll be doing another method based on the same concept here, but that's going to be returning a complete different answer based on your requirement. Again DATEDIF, open parenthesis, same cell again, comma, again this time for the days, comma, we are going to simply mention D, close parenthesis, and simply D for returning total days. Let's see, enter, and this is how we got the answer. Now you can note that it has simply joined the three values that we previously got, like the 49 years, 509 months and 17,997 days, and the same goes for the rest of the guys. But this is not how you want this to be. You want that in a manner like 49 years, so and so remainder of months followed by the remainder of days in those 49 years. So what you can do is you can simply go forward, again redo the formula here in a complete different fashion by simply changing the arguments. Like we're going to say with the years here. Y, that's going to be the same logic, nothing's changed here in the previous format. But in this one, we're going to make a little bit of change over here. Instead of directly the months, that is for M, we are going to subtract the months, subtract the years that we already got using this logic, that is ym. So basically we are getting the remainder of months after subtracting the years. I'm using a space that because I want to separate the M with the next following returning value here. DATEDIF, again the same cell, comma, today, open and close parenthesis, comma, again the same logic for the days, MD, month remainder days. We want to subtract the number of months and we want to return the remainder of days that's left out in the month. I'm going to simply like days. We're going to simply type in fully, that's days, close parenthesis, and enter, and there it is. You have the whole complete or logical answer when you're going to tell to another person like 49 years 3 months and 9 days rather than like 49 years 590 months and 70,997 days. So whichever method suits for you, go for it, but I suggest you go for the method 2, which is the right way to say so. So with that being said, I hope you like the content in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care.